Today I want to show you guys two rhizomatous species. Rhizomatous means if they're shrubs and trees, which we're talking about today, they will run horizontal roots away from the mother plant. This is a roughleaf dogwood to shoot up new plants. And there'll be clones of the mother plants genetically. So we have a roughleaf dogwood thicket species, which is spread around by native birds because the fruits are super high value of oils and fats. They're like little white berries that mature in August in the Midwest, zone 6. So this roughleaf dogwood is super drought proof, and if you got it growing on your property, to encourage it, you need just to clear the woody species from around it, and then it will sucker through the herbaceous layer and shoot up new trees. And you also want to have more than one tree so they can cross-pollinate and make fruit. So that would not count as a clone because a clone is the same tree. You need a different tree from a different source. So here we have some native pollinators using our roughleaf dogwood. Looks like a solitary native bee. And what I wanted to show you guys is an invasive rhizomatous species, this little silver leaf. It's called Silver Poplar. I just learned yesterday from the Indiana invasive plant group. And all of these suckers with silver leaves are silver poplars, and they're running their roots throughout my thicket scape. I've got pawpaws and service berries and aronia in the distance and Chickasaw plums. But you see all these little sprouts? These are going to turn into 60-foot tall trees and kill all my thicket species like the service berry and these aronia. So what you need to do is you can do a foliar application with about 5 ounces of glyphosate per 1 gallon of water, or you can do a cut stump where you use a chainsaw or loppers to cut these new thickets of invasive silver poplar down to the ground, and then you apply the herbicide to the open cut on the stump, and that will finish them.